You can expect a lot from the 2005 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like all-wheel drive, front and rear cup holders, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and a split-folding rear seat. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.